guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I use this app, Avatoon. It's so nice, it's so amazing. So let's get started. So I have my outfits, and here you have tasks you have to do. And also here you have face, beauty, clothes, and background poses. So first of all, let's start with the face. Okay, so I'm like, no, that's better. I don't need blush because it's really expensive. Okay, now here you have hair, and you can buy the pro, but I prefer not having the pro because I'm gonna make someone that is a bit like me, so you can have a clue how I look. So I like to make ooh, that's cool. Ooh, that's for pro. That's this one or this one. I prefer this one because I make it more often. And let's go to the eyeshadow. You can pick more than one color, because look, you have here eyelashes. I want these, eyeliner, eyeshadow. I don't know why. Oh, I have to buy one. Try this one on. This one is free. This one is free too. The red looks much better. It's nice. Then should I make her or oh my gosh, no, that's better. I'm gonna change this one better. No need. Wait, actually this one is really cute, but does not match the look I'm going for, because I'm going for a look that you'll find out when I finish. That one is cool, but no. Hats. That's like a clue for what I'm going for. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm gonna go to beauty. I think I just added these things while I was editing. So yeah, no need. Now we're gonna go to clothes. Yay, this is the most thing I have a bathing suit. That is kind of the look I'm going for. And this one is kind of. Nah. Ooh, that's really cool. Whoa, this one is the look. It's a ladybug. You know what? I'm gonna just put this one back. And let's search for a... Oh, actually, there's this one. This one, no. This one is close, not this one. Wait, where? I want this jacket, and I need a skirt. No, skirt is woolen. I need one that matches well. Okay, that's actually... No, I don't need that. Let's just go with this. It's actually really cool. Now, this one is really cool. I really want to buy, but I don't have enough money, as you can see. This one, I'm gonna just go back to my look. So I have these. So yeah, now we're gonna claim. Okay, finally. Okay. Now we have 4 missions to this pig surprise. Now we're gonna go to backgrounds. We have this background, it's Halloween background. This, like, it's so amazing. Or this one. Let's try decorating. No. Can we actually, I'm gonna put a sofa in this one, but I only have to put one, so I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's on the, maybe if we have this, we can have this. Or we can have this, and we can have this drum set. Oh yeah, I forgot we only need to have one. This one. That's actually really cool. It's like she's in a party. But I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go with this. And let's see. This and this. Okay, let's buy. So guys, now we're gonna have poses like this. But I have a lot of these. Here you can make your own stickers. You can put on your face. Create a photo. Avatoon character. I'm gonna put it there, here, and another one be this one. This one. Okay, yeah, this one. Discard. Done. Here you have stickers. You can buy them. But I don't need. So guys, this was the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to a friend.